How to increase spending limit on Instagram ads. First things first, before we dig deep into the main topic, just go ahead and check first if you're using the updated or the latest version of Instagram. To check that, simply go to your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. And from here, you'll be able to know if your Instagram needs an updating because there will be a visible button there that says update. Just simply press on that and then it will automatically update by itself. The reason why we're doing this is because we're just making sure that while doing the process of increasing the spending limit, we don't have any or we will not encounter any problems moving forward. Now, once you made sure that your Instagram is updated, simply access the app, make sure that you're logged into your account, simply go to your profile and tap on your profile picture. Then after that, all you have to do is just go to your settings menu by clicking on the three lines right here. Go to settings and privacy. Scroll down a bit till you find the for professionals field and tap on creator tools and controls. Tap on add payments, payment methods. As what you can see, you'll be able to see account spending limit. It is stating here that not set because I haven't set up my professional dashboard properly. Once you do, all you have to do is just tap on account spending limit and try to increase it, save it, and you're good to go. So that's how easy and quick you increase your spending limit on Instagram ads.